What is up, everybody? So I just got a package, and it's some leather that I ordered from Rocky Mountain Leather Supply. This is my first time buying anything from Rocky Mountain Leather Supply. It's my first time ordering anything from anywhere online as far as leather goes. So I went with the Pueblo Leather, and I ended up getting the tobacco leather. So we're going to do an unboxing. It's going to be the Pueblo Leather tobacco, should be the sapphire, and then also got a sample of the olive leather in here, so you guys kind of get to see with me what this looks like. Try to cut into this without cutting into the leather. I've been patient as much as I can. I don't know about y'all, but waiting on UPS gives me a headache. FedEx doesn't take that long, but for whatever reason, my location takes forever for UPS. Guys, appreciate you joining. Just to kind of recap, I'm doing an unboxing. I bought some leather from Rocky Mountain Leather Supply. So if you're into leather goods and you're kind of wondering about buying leather online, this was my first time buying it. So they shipped it, just regular cardboard box. But the whole thing is shrink wrapped, and it looks like they have paper wrapped around the leather too, so that makes it kind of nice. I'm gonna try to score this without damaging the leather. But yeah, I've never bought any leather online, and we only have a couple places here in town for leather, and they don't really have what I've been looking for, and so I've been looking for this Pueblo Leather. Seems to be popular, and I ended up going with the tobacco and sapphire. They did a really good job of wrapping this up though, which is good, because of course of all days it's kind of rainy outside, so luckily it wasn't. I was here when the guy dropped it off, so it wasn't outside for very long. Greg, how's it going? I ordered it from Rocky Mountain Leather Supply. I know you mentioned another location, and I completely forgot. But I've never ordered online. Kind of has me nervous because I like to go in places and look at what I'm buying, so they probably used about $20 worth of shrink wrap. I ain't complaining. I'm not complaining. Hey Kylie, how's it going? Okay. Shrink wrap off. Like I said, it was wrapped around with like craft paper also. All right, so sapphire, tobacco, and then I got a small sample of the olive. So show you the olive first. Man, yeah, and I wish the camera did it justice. I choose freedom. I bought some leather from Rocky Mountain Leather Supply. This is the first time buying leather online, so I'm kind of doing a quick unboxing of the leather that I got. So I got a half a side of the tobacco, half a side of the sapphire, and then just a small sample of the olive, which I will be buying a half a side of this pretty soon. Man, that's good to know. I'm glad. Burnishing, yes, heck yeah. All right, so yeah, got the olive. Oh, this is gorgeous. So if you're new to leathercraft or you're thinking about getting into leathercraft, so you can buy any of this in panels or half a side or a full side, and from Rocky Mountain Leather, half a side was $100. Of course, full side was $200. When you start getting into the panels, they're more per square foot, so just remember that. So I did pay more for this per square foot, but I wasn't sure if I was going to like it or not, but I definitely like it. So here is the sapphire. Man, I really wish the camera did it justice, but you know what? I'm going to take this. There we go. That's probably more like it. And then underneath it is the tobacco. I'm loving the lines and the texture. Some people might not like that, but to me, when it's all uniform, it gives it a fake look. So let me know what you think of that. I mean, I'm loving it. I can't wait to make something out of it. And with it being a veg stand, I should be able to throw that in the laser and cut some stuff out of it, or do it by hand, either way. But no, I'm liking that. Let's see if I can get a better. So yeah, there we go. Yeah, I really wish I had gotten a side of the olive, because I'm liking that olive and tobacco. So I'm curious what y'all like better. But yeah, I figured get quite a bit of wallets out of this. I mean, especially if the primary is the tobacco, and then accent colors being the sapphire. I should be able to get at least a few, panels out of this to make some wallets and samples out of. So at least enough to get some pictures made, and hopefully get some stuff on my website. I know you guys have been asking for some stuff on my website, and I'm still trying to get all that going. But I have finished the flesh side. The only thing that I've ever done on the flesh side is with token oil and smoothed it out. That's pretty much the extent that I've gone. Yeah, with token oil. Sorry, I just saw that comment at the end. So yeah, that's all that I've ever done. And I wish I had. I've seen it where they use like a glass edge or slicker, I guess is what it might be called, to smooth it out. But I've always used just a wooden slicker on that. But I plan on doing wallets similar to this. So maybe like the inner panels being the tobacco, and then like either the outer being the accent colors. So you just see a little bit of the tobacco up top, because I don't want to cover that sapphire or the olive. That is gorgeous. And I really like the contrast. I like the earth tones. So next, I'll probably look at getting some other colors like, reds and maybe some lighter, brown tones. But this is kind of more my style as far as the darker earth tones. Yeah, that's kind of what I figured. I don't have really the means to do like bags and stuff just yet. So I figure, shoot, yeah, I could get quite a few wallets out of this. As small as those panels are. And I saw your, oh Lord, was it bookmarkers? The smaller leather that go in the corners. Pretty sure it was yours. Those look freaking sick. I need to hop on that and do something. I had no clue bookmarkers were that popular, to be honest with you. That, and I want to do some Apple AirTag holders. That seems to be another hot item. I just know that I've got to get my button gear for Christmas. So, but yeah, guys, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. Again, got the sapphire Pueblo leather, the tobacco, and the olive. So, guys, I know this was quick, but I got to jump off. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing yeah, guys, I appreciate it. I hope y'all have a good one, and we'll see y'all later.